identified that there is a situation or there is a slight health concern or a health concern or whatever, it would be stupid and it would be daft and silly or even idiotic is a word, or moronic is a word to not take care of your health and stuff. Beating about the same issues, the same cassette. So some journeys of people become like inspirational stories of books and stuff like that. Actually, it's not inspiring everybody because the point is the journeys are presented in a fashion where they look like victims and not heroes to some of us, you know. So it's a question of personal choice and stuff ki inspiration aapne kisse leni hai, but the point is that negativity cannot be an inspiring story or a benchmark for quality health or quality work, for function, for attitudes and stuff. God cannot be held responsible for this. He doesn't want people to suffer. It's people who are choosing their own careers. And, you know, let's say in the media, or you know that, you know, in certain jobs, hours are long and stuff and all. You don't have to make that choice, right? You have a choice to walk away, but you don't. So then God doesn't want people to suffer. God, on the whole, is actually showing you the right direction and stuff, but it's a question of people's choices and stuff. So, in a nutshell, what the crux of this is that, you know, your karma can change, your sickness destiny can change, provided you start thinking. The moment you've identified कि कोई issue है, start praying and start taking action for that. Consider it a situation, consider it a challenge, but come out of it, you know. Harping on it, talking about it, and thinking you're going to feel better and stuff doesn't help. Yes, it may get you some TRPs, it may genuinely get you some sales and stuff like that, or make you look like rock stars. But when you go back home and stuff, you got an answer, a question before you that you got to answer. Are you genuinely feeling good? Have you genuinely recovered? Or are you just out there chasing fame and recognition and stuff like that in the name of illness and sickness and stuff, you know? So very important to have positive affirmations, positive assertion, positive thought processes, and most importantly, work on yourself and stuff. If you know drinks is bad, you know, alcohol is bad, drugs is bad, why do it? Why do it, you know? And if you've chosen good health and you want a good destiny, stick to this and make positive changes and choices. So the choice lies in you, you know. So love and luck and take care and have fun, have a blast. Bye bye. Enjoy. Yeah, take care. Bye.